Quick guide to pneumatic connectors. In pneumatic systems, fittings may be small, but they directly impact sealing and stability. Let's take a quick look at common fittings. The most common is the straight connector, used for linear connections on both ends, available in both metric and inch sizes. When installation space is tight, an elbow fitting works better. For splitting or combining airlines, a T-fitting gets the job done. For harsher environments, stainless steel fittings are a solid choice. In the food industry, food-grade materials are preferred. Some fittings include flow adjustment and scale indicators, allowing more precise air control. Common thread sizes include M5, M12, and inch 1/8, 1/4. Match the tube and port size. If exhaust noise is high, add a silencer to reduce it, and keep the equipment running smoothly. These fittings are widely used in automated, food machinery, and pneumatic tools. VPC provides both standard options and customized configurations. Contact us for tailored solutions. Looking for precision and performance? Explore more with vPC.